Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix YouTube Shorts not showing. For that, the first thing that you must do is ensure that you're connected to the internet. You can try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and also toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. The other thing that you can do is inside YouTube itself, head over to YouTube, tap on your profile icon, tap on the gear icon at the top right of your screen, head over to general and make sure that restricted mode is turned off over here. You can also head over to time management and then turn off Shorts feed limits. If Shorts feed limit is turned on, then it will pause you from watching your shorts. The other thing that you must do is head over to settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on YouTube, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the storage and cache of YouTube if your problem is still not resolved. Also make sure that your YouTube is on the latest version by heading over to Play Store, searching for YouTube and updating it to the latest version. If the problem still persists, if your device allows, then completely uninstall YouTube from your device by long pressing on YouTube, hitting uninstall and reinstalling it from the Play Store. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.